how to remove the welch plugs from your carburetor. The welch plugs are these stupid little plugs right here that keep you from getting to the mixed screws. A lot of the rejetting kits will send you a drill bit, which, hey, that is like the greatest thing in the world. If they don't, here's what I do. I have a 6mm drill bit here. We're going to line it up with that little center point there, put on some eye protection. And we're just going to, nice slow RPM. Don't even push very hard, because there's a screw in there that you don't want to screw up. All right, so sometimes the drill bit will grab it, and then you can pull it on out of there. If that does not work, you can then put a wood screw in there or something, or corkscrew. But here's what I like to do with the thing. I then take a 1/4-20 bottoming tap, thread it in there, and that tap is going to bite that plug. Once you feel the tap bite the plug, start pulling up with the tap. Whoop, didn't bite enough. Keep twisting to the right and pulling up, and there you go. The last little remaining part will come out with your tap. Knock the rest of your chips out of there. And take your flathead screwdriver. Take your flathead screwdriver, it fits. Crank this in until it stops and count the turn. Half, one, just one. So we're going to make a note of that. And then you can thread this thing up out of here. Now here's the thing. It is possible the drill bit could have bumped this and actually turned it in more, so don't take that one turn as gospel. Try it on every single one and see if you get the same number. Or look in your owner's manual and see what it was set at from the factory. There we go. There's your mixed screw. Comes out of there. Slot's still intact. You can see I did bump it with the tip of the drill bit, so I might have screwed up that setting. But there you go. That's how to remove your welch plugs. You can buy new ones. You could put them in. You'd be a dirty, rotten blah, blah, blah if you did. There's no reason to put those things back in there. So yeah, that's all I got.